In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a metal badge style portrait using AI. Let's get started. With photo or AI artifacts, you can instantly transform any portrait into a striking metal badge style portrait in seconds. No design skills needed. You can start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the photo or AI artifacts page. You don't need to install anything, everything works online. And once the page loads, click the Upload Image button and select the photo from your device. Then wait a moment for it to finish loading. For best results, choose a photo where the person is facing the camera, clearly visible, and well lit. This helps the AI produce a clean and detailed metal texture. After your photo is uploaded, look at the left sidebar where all the art styles are listed. Then scroll down through the categories, then go to the Universal section. Then select Metal Badge, and Photor will automatically apply the effect and transform your portrait into a metallic engraved style badge. You'll see the textures, shadows, and highlights shift to resemble sculpted metal. After the image has been generated, you have three options. First, you can use the Compare tool. To do this, click the Compare button in the lower right corner, and this will toggle between your original image and the new metal badge version. This is great for seeing how much detail the AI added. And if you're not satisfied, you can regenerate. To do this, click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail. Each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and every result will have slight variations in texture and finish. And you can regenerate multiple times until you're happy with the final output. And if you plan to use this effect again, you can save it to your favorites. To do this, hover your mouse over the effect thumbnail, then click the star icon. And the effect will now appear under the Favorites section for quick access later. And once satisfied with the final result, click the Download button to save the image to your computer. And here are some beginner tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.